Assalamualaikum. Finally, we reach on the mall, Granada Mall, and this is a beautiful site and view outside in the parking area. Who is going, and this is a display for the mall, Granada Mall, and it is awesome. And now I came out from the parking area and taking this video. Is beautiful, and there is a carry for and for the shopping, very good. And this is the display, and there is the entrance side area, and where you can be enter into the mall. And after that location above, you exit after 9, take the right turn and u-turn, and the right turn you will find this a huge building, very attractive building and beautiful building, and the view of this building is awesome, and you must come here to check out all the things, then you will analyze. This is a good place. Let's go inside. And this is the inside, and there is some international brands are there. Let me show you. There the first one is the beside, there is the Victoria and Zara, and this is Zara, and this is the Victoria and pink, and beside this Sephora brand, high brand is there. You must come here and enjoy with your